Hi! In front of me is Blackview A70, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection on this Blackview. Firstly, you need to access settings. Now select system over here and choose languages and input. Following that, click on on-screen keyword and Gboard. Then click on text correction, scroll down just a bit and tap on this sweater next to autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now on. In order to turn it off, click on the same sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!